August 1945. A month that would forever be etched into the annals of history. Two bright flashes seared themselves into history, forever changing the course of humanity. The world witnessed the dawn of the atomic age with a mixture of awe and horror. Hiroshima, a bustling city on a sunny morning, was instantly transformed into a landscape of unimaginable devastation. Buildings crumbled, fires raged, and countless lives were lost in an instant. 3 days later, Nagasaki suffered the same fate. Another city, another flash, another wave of destruction that left the world reeling. The atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki were unprecedented events, marking a turning point in human history. The sheer scale of the devastation was unlike anything humanity had ever seen. Yet from the ashes of unimaginable destruction, a remarkable story of resilience and hope emerged. The survivors, known as Hibakusha, faced unimaginable challenges but refused to be defeated. These cities, once synonymous with destruction, rebuilt themselves into thriving metropolises. Through sheer determination and collective effort, Hiroshima and Nagasaki rose from the rubble. They stand today as powerful symbols of peace, their story a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Japanese people. The peace memorial parks in both cities serve as poignant reminders of the past and beacons of hope for the future. This is the story of Hiroshima and Nagasaki's journey from the abyss of despair to beacons of hope for a brighter future. Their transformation is a powerful reminder that even in the darkest times, the human spirit can shine brightly. The immediate aftermath of the bombings was a scene of utter devastation. The once bustling cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki were now unrecognizable, transformed into vast wastelands of destruction. Thousands perished instantly, vaporized in the unimaginable heat of the blast. The sheer force of the explosions obliterated everything in their path, leaving behind only shadows and echoes of what once was. Buildings were reduced to rubble, streets were filled with debris and dust. The infrastructure that had taken years to build was annihilated in mere seconds, leaving a haunting silence in its wake. The air was thick with smoke, the silence broken only by the cries of the injured. Survivors wandered through the ruins, dazed and disoriented, searching for loved ones amidst the chaos. Those who survived faced a new horror: radiation sickness. This invisible killer began to ravage their bodies, causing symptoms that were both terrifying and mysterious. An invisible killer, it ravaged their bodies, leaving many with long-term health complications. The survivors' suffering was compounded by the lack of medical knowledge and resources to treat this new affliction. Food and water were scarce, shelter non-existent. The basic necessities of life became precious commodities, and the struggle for survival grew more desperate with each passing day. The world watched in horror, struggling to comprehend the scale of the tragedy that had unfolded. News of the bombings spread rapidly, eliciting a mix of shock, sorrow, and disbelief from the global community. Yet, amidst the ruins, the spirit of the Japanese people refused to be extinguished. They began to pick up the pieces, showing remarkable resilience and determination in the face of overwhelming odds. Survivors, though grappling with their own pain and loss, began helping each other. Acts of kindness and solidarity emerged as people came together to support one another in their darkest hours. It was the beginning of a long and arduous journey back from the abyss. The road to recovery was fraught with challenges, but the indomitable spirit of the survivors paved the way for a new beginning. The task of rebuilding was monumental. The Japanese government, facing a nation in ruins, acted swiftly. Laws like the Hiroshima Peace Memorial City Construction Law were enacted, providing a framework for reconstruction and memorialization. Resources were directed towards providing medical care to survivors and clearing the debris. International aid, particularly from the United States, poured in. While the bombings had created a complex geopolitical landscape, the humanitarian crisis demanded a united response. Medical supplies, food, and financial aid were critical in the early stages of recovery. This global support, while complex and at times controversial, played a crucial role in enabling Hiroshima and Nagasaki to begin the long process of healing and rebuilding. The reconstruction of Hiroshima and Nagasaki was not merely about rebuilding physical structures, it was about rebuilding lives and restoring hope. The atomic bomb dome in Hiroshima, a stark reminder of the devastation, was preserved as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It stands as a powerful symbol of the horrors of nuclear war and serves as a call for peace. In both cities, peace memorial parks were established. These serene spaces are not only places of remembrance but also serve as vibrant centers for peace education and advocacy. They are a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, showcasing the power of turning tragedy into a force for positive change. Beyond the physical reconstruction, the cities embarked on a journey of economic revival. Hiroshima, known for its automotive industry, saw the rise of Mazda, a symbol of the city's industrial resurgence. Nagasaki, a historic shipbuilding center, reinvented itself, becoming a hub for tourism and heavy industry. These economic successes were not merely about profits and progress. They were a testament to the determination of the Japanese people to rebuild their lives. The spirit of innovation and hard work, deeply ingrained in Japanese culture, played a crucial role in this remarkable recovery. Section 6. The enduring spirit of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The people of Hiroshima and Nagasaki refused to be defined by the horrors they had endured. They embraced peace and reconciliation, becoming vocal advocates for nuclear disarmament. Annual peace ceremonies attended by thousands are held to commemorate the victims and reiterate the call for a world without nuclear weapons. Cultural events like the floating of paper lanterns down the Motoyasu River in Hiroshima are a poignant reminder of the lives lost and a celebration of hope for the future. They serve as powerful reminders of the human cost of conflict and the importance of striving for peace. Section 7. Peace on Earth, Goodwill to All. Education plays a vital role in ensuring that future generations learn from the past. Museums and peace centers in both cities educate visitors about the horrors of the atomic bombings and the devastating effects of nuclear weapons. They serve as platforms for dialogue, fostering understanding and promoting a culture of peace. Hiroshima and Nagasaki have become global centers for peace activism. They host international conferences, drawing activists, policymakers, and survivors to engage in discussions on nuclear disarmament and conflict resolution. The city's message resonates far beyond their borders, inspiring peace movements and initiatives around the world. Section 8. Hiroshima and Nagasaki today, beacons of hope. Today, Hiroshima and Nagasaki are thriving modern cities, home to world-class universities, bustling commercial districts, and vibrant cultural scenes. They stand as testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the transformative power of hope. The scars of the past are still visible, serving as constant reminders of the devastating consequences of nuclear war. Yet these cities are no longer defined by their past. They have embraced their roles as symbols of peace, advocating for a world free from nuclear weapons. Their story is a beacon of hope, demonstrating that even in the face of unimaginable tragedy, humanity can overcome adversity and strive for a brighter future. Section 9. A Legacy of Resilience. The story of Hiroshima and Nagasaki is a powerful reminder of the devastating consequences of war and the importance of peace. These cities, once devastated by unimaginable destruction, have risen from the ashes to become symbols of hope and resilience. It is a story of immense loss and unimaginable suffering, but also one of incredible resilience, determination, and hope. The survivors, known as hibakusha, have shared their stories, ensuring that the horrors of the past are never forgotten. These cities, once symbols of destruction, have transformed themselves into beacons of peace, their story resonating with people around the world. The peace memorial parks in both cities stand as testaments to the enduring human spirit and the collective desire for a peaceful future. Their legacy is a call to action, urging us to learn from the mistakes of the past and strive for a future where such tragedies are never repeated. Educational programs and peace museums play a crucial role in this mission, teaching new generations about the importance of peace and the dangers of nuclear warfare. It is a call to embrace dialogue, understanding, and compassion, to build bridges instead of walls, and to work together to create a world where peace prevails. International peace conferences and community dialogues are essential in fostering a global culture of peace and mutual respect.